Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Combat Carnivore. If it's your first time, make sure to like and subscribe, and welcome to the Combat Carnivore. Today, we are making our own electrolyte drink because I know there's a lot of people scamming you right now with a lot of sugars or extra sweeteners inside their electrolyte mixes and whatnot, and it's a lot of money. This is a great way to create your own electrolyte drinks with saving a whole lot of money that's going to last you a whole long time. Step one, go ahead and get a salt that you trust, something like Redmond's Real Salt or maybe Baja Gold. Baja Gold is the one I use, and I use on everything. Step two, get a glass jar about this size, okay? So that way you can see into it. Step three, fill it with water and start putting gobs of salt into this container, closing the lid, shake it, leave it in the fridge for about an hour. When you come back, if there's no sediment at the bottom, that means that it can take more salt. So you put more and more salt in there, shake it up, leave it in the fridge. I did this like 4 or 5 times. I could not believe how much salt would fit into this little container. And so I would shake it up, and then once you shake it up after adding gobs of salt and it sets there for a while and there's sediment at the bottom, once the sediment residue was at the bottom, that means the solution could take no more salt, which means it was like the most salt impacted solution that can be in this jar, right? Step four, get a larger container of water in a container that you trust, preferably not plastic or things like that. And we're going to add a little bit of this solution to this large container. Now, let's talk about how much. We want about a spoonful of this solution into about every half gallon. So 2 spoonfuls per gallon. So let me go ahead and show you how it's done. Oof.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Now that the lids are off, we take 1 spoonful. We put it in here. I like to mix it up. Bam, you have your own electrolyte drink that's gonna last a long time. When I say a long time, I mean a long time. I've had this little jar for weeks now when I made it, and I've only used that much because 1 spoonful inside a half-gallon jar lasts me a very long time. So now I'm drinking plenty of my own electrolyte drink, which is water that is properly molecularly structured, hard to say, and because it lasts so long, it saves me a ton of money. Not only is it gonna save you money, but it's gonna be better for you than any sort of electrolyte drink or supplement that you can buy out there. So stop wasting money on electrolyte supplements that are only going to take away from your health and trick you. Make sure that you take something that's a little bit more natural. This is going to last you a long time. It's going to have more nutrients in it. It's going to be more natural, and it's going to be structured the way your body is designed to take in water for proper hydration. All right, beautiful people, Combat Carnivore out.